today? Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is phenomenal. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice counting by 2's. Not by 1's, by 2's. And guess what? We are going to use some Minecraft blocks to help us out with that. So that will be amazing. All right, guess what? You do not need any supplies for this activity. So let's get right into the schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice counting by 2's so that we can figure out how many Minecraft blocks we have. And when we get to the star, you know we'll be all done. So let's count. Okay, friends, let's get started. It looks like we have a Minecraft counting day. We are going to practice counting all of these Minecraft blocks by 2's. Ooh, not by 1's, like 1, 2, 3. We're going to count by 2's, like 2, and then 2 more, 4. So 2, 4, 6. Whoo! We're going to do it, and we're going to have to watch out because someone might be sneaking in and trying to mess up our stuff. So we got to be careful. Okay, let's get started. Here are the first blocks. Let's see, we've got 2. I can see that we have 2. I could count them. 1, 2. But that takes a little longer. I can just see this and I know 2. There's 2 of those. Okay, but now watch this. What if I add 2 more? Ooh, so 2, and I don't really want to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That just takes longer. Let's do it fast. 2, 4. Whoa, that is cool. Okay, 2, 4. Let's keep going. Let's just see what happens. Let's scooch these over here. All right, here we go. Remember, I don't want to count them all. I could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ugh, that takes me like 3 or 4 seconds to count. Let's see if I just do it this way. 2, 4, 6. There's 6 there. I can look at that and see there's 6. 2, 4, 6. Yes! All right, let's put 2 more. All right, let's look at it. Here we go. Ooh, okay. Now, would it be longer or shorter if I counted those by 1's? You're right. It would take me a little longer. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew! Okay, but now if we know that there's 2 each time, let's try that. 2, 4, 6, 8. Whoa. 2, 4, 6, 8. Wow, that is so much faster. All right, let's add in 2 more because we're only working with 2's today. Ooh, okay, let's try it. Let's just do it the fast way. Ready? Let's do it together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We are amazing. Let's do it again. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes! Okay, and you know what? We've got 2 more blocks to add. Let's just do it for funsies. Okay, here we go. 2 more. Let's do it the fast way and count by 2's because every time we just are going up 2 more. All right, ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wow. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes! Okay, now let's just put out some random blocks and figure out how many we have and hope that somebody doesn't sneak in there and mess up our counting. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Okay, here's our first group to count. You count. I hope you got 6. Did you get 6? 2, 4, 6. Yes! Excellent counting. Let's get the next group. Okay, next group. Your turn to count. Go. Ooh, what number did you get? I heard so many friends yell 4. Let's see. 2, 4. Can we check it? Yes, you were exactly right. We had 2. We added 2 more. Yes. Next one. Whoa. Okay, friends, here we go. Your turn to count. Go. Ooh, how many did you get? I heard so many friends yell 10. I heard a couple of friends say 12, but I heard mostly 10s. Let's double check it. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's check it. Yes, it is 10. If you got 12, that's okay. That's why we practice. Okay, let's check it. Wait, what? Creeper, what are you doing? Oh my goodness, he's ready for the next one. Let's go. All right, next group, your turn to count. Go. Whoa, that was so fast. What number did you get? Oh, okay. I heard you. 2. Let's check it. 2. Yep, you got it. 2. Excellent. All right, next group. Whew. Okay, let's look at this group. It's a big one. Okay, friends, your turn to count. Go. Ooh, how many did you get? Yes, I heard mostly 12s. That is amazing. Let's double check it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And look up here. Yep, it's a 12. We got it. Oh no, he's back. Ah, creeper! Okay, think he just likes to mess with us when we have bigger numbers. What do you think? All right, let's get the next one. Ooh, looks like our next group, we do not have our chart to help us. We have to do it all on our own, and I know we can. Okay, your turn to count. Go. What number did you get? Oh my goodness, I heard so many friends yell 6. Okay, let's see if you're right. 2, 4, 6. Okay, watch this. Meow. 6. Yes. 2, 4, 6. Yes! Excellent. All right, let's get the next one. Okay, next one. Ooh, I hope it changed. Okay, here we go, friends. Your turn to count. Okay, what number did you get? Ooh, I heard some friends say 6 and some friends say 8. All right, let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's check it. Meow. 2, 4, 6, 8. Zoop. It is 8. Yes, and that is okay if you said 6. That's why we practice. Practice. Okay, friends, we have one more. Let's do it. Okay, here's our last one. Here we go. Your turn to count. Go. All right. How many did you get? Ooh, I heard a lot of 10s. Let's see if you're right. Here we go. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's check it. Meow. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You all got it. That was amazing. Oh my goodness, creeper. Okay, friends, I think we finished this. You did an excellent job. Let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Woohoo! Okay, that was awesome. We were counting by 2's. We were getting attacked by the crazy creeper on mostly the bigger numbers, so that was pretty wild. But we were double checking our work, which is always very helpful. So let's check that off. Ready, check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.